Who will give me the reminder?
What, sir? I will give. At what time and what date?
Okay, today you will give. That means on 19th. What is the date today? What not?
21.
21.
21. 21. So
Thursday.
on 21 date, Zaki, you will give me the reminder, and at 4 o'clock you will give me the reminder.
Okay, sir. I give.
Okay, time and date is given to you.
I will give. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Inshallah.
Now, be ready with the books, and just you have to write the answers of the question. Question answers we have to write down. Am I clear?
Yes.
See, I cannot speak English slower than this. Huh? Still, only one student is saying yes. That means what
Yes,
should
sir.
I do?
Mama, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
give
sir.
one
Ready.
heading.
Oh, heading is also given. Very good. Give the heading today's date in the rough book. Huh? First of all, don't just write in the fair book. Then question answers, give the heading, lesson number, everything properly. Then say yes sir in your name as soon as you are ready with the heading part
Yes, sir.
in your
Yes, sir.
great.
Mama said yes, sir.
Only two students are ready. I'm waiting for other 12 to
Yes,
13
sir.
students.
I am ready.
I am
Ready.
means
Mendi Hassan ready.
Sir, Abbas Ali ready.
I am also ready.
Rajani Elias were also ready.
Sir, Abbas. Yes.
okay. Aligarh, read the first question.
Yes, sir. Which one? Why did Bertie run out? Sir, I can't see the water hole.
Okay, thank you. Mute your mic. Now the question is, why did Bertie run out to the water hole? Why did he go to water hole? Can anyone tell me? Just give me the answer roughly. Why did he go out near the water hole? Can anyone? Yeah, I think you people don't remember the story then.
Sir, can I answer Muhammad Fazil?
Yes, Fazil.
Sir, Bertie saw the cup, but lion cup that was only he run the water.
Okay. So Bertie ran out to the water hole because what will come? He had seen lion cub. This is what Fazil said, and it is right. Going to be attacked. This is what you have to add. Going to be attacked by hyenas. And further, you have to write he wanted to save it from them.
Sir, your screen is blur.
No problem. Your screen is blur, not mine. So your network is low, your screen is blur. Now, as soon as you get answer number one, if you write it down, just say yes, sir, and your name.
Muhammad Zakir Wakil, yes, sir.
Zaki, read the answer one time.
Yes, sir. Bertie ran out to the water hole because he had seen the lion cub going to be attacked by the hyenas. He wanted to save it from them.
Okay. Now here he had seen the lion cub. No, a lion cub. This is what I need to add. A. As soon as people you finish writing, just say yes sir your name so that I can just flip the page and read the next question.
Sir, go ahead, Abbas, yes, sir.
Mehdi
Great.
Hasan Burhani, yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, can I flip the page? What about the other students? What are they doing? I ain't getting the replies from them.
Sir, Bhojani Gazibas, okay, John.
Great stuff. Bhojan Gazibas, just make sure you write with a good handwriting, okay?
Yes, sir.
What about Ali Ghazi and all the other students?
Sir, I am writing.
Okay, I should keep it for a long time. Let me read another question meanwhile. Who will read the next question for me? Come on, quickly. Number two. Come on, start reading.
Muhammad Zakir Wakil.
Come on, start reading. Yes, Lucky, what happened?
Okay, sir. What did the cub like consist of?
Okay. What does it mean? They are asking about what was the cub eating.
Sir, where Abbas? Again,
What happened? You want to say the answer? Yes, you
Muhammad
can.
Zakir Wakil, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Who answered? The cup that consists of 10 big jars of milk, and when he grown up, They he eats a special meat named impala meat.
Okay. The cub's diet consisted of milk 4 times a day. This is what the first line is. Until later, he lapped up. Okay, until later on, when he lapped up from the
Sir,
what happened?
Mohammed Zaki Wakil. The impala is the name of the meat or animal.
It is a kind of meat. It is, I think, animal ghost which is given to him.
Sir, impala meat is one type of deer. Impala.
This is what I'm saying because generally this is what even given in the Sasangir forest to the lion.
Mendelson Kurani work is done.
If you go to Sasangir, they will give you few instructions in which this name is also mentioned. Mandy Hassan, Zaki, only two students have written.
Sir, Zohar Abbas, I am also written. I have.
Oh, a lot of disturbance is there. Zohar Abbas, where are you sitting?
Bojani Gazibas work is done.
Okay, okay. Yes, so the cup's diet consisted of milk 4 times a day until later on when he left from the soup bowl and ate lots of impala meat. So basically, the cub was eating like Zaki.
No, sir.
Okay, then he was eating like me. Next question. Who will read the third question?
Sir, can I Mendelson?
Yes.
Why did Bertie father object the keeping a lion cub as a pet?
So why did he object? Means why he was opposing to keep a lion cub as a pet at home? Why was such thing happen?
Sir, can I Mohammed Zaki Wakil?
I want everyone to answer because everyone has got the chance to understand the lesson. Why aren't they able to
Okay.
answer? Okay, Zaki, do one thing. You can help me in one way. Select the name. Come on.
Okay, sir. Uh, uh,
There is no
uh,
student named in the group.
Ali Rajan Akvi.
Oh, so you heard the question, right? Third question. Why his father was not ready to keep the lion cub at home? This is what the question is. Short and sweet answer. Bertie's father objected to keep the lion cub as a pet as it would grow and you could not keep a grown lion in the house. This is what the reason is his father gave. So this is what the answer should be. So Buddy's father objected to keeping the lion cub as a pet as it would grow. And you could not keep a grown lion on, sorry, here I have to make a change, a printing in the house. That's it. So this is the answer. Why is this the answer? Because this is what the father said when he was arguing with Bertie's mother. Just say yes sir in your name as
Sir,
soon as you finish answer
Muhammad
3.
Zaki. Muhammad Zaki, okay, yes, sir. Can I ask one thing? Sir, yes, Zohair Abbas, yes, sir.
One by one. Yes, Zaki.
You are told that you will see us that the video of lion and
Yes.
people.
Zaki, I literally, I swear, I tried today. See, if you can see my full screen, no? Can you see here? Zoom
Sir,
in and see.
sir,
I see.
we can rotate and we can see, sir. Yes,
What?
sir, we can see. Yes. When
So
we
if you,
rotate our screen, we can see.
so if you rotate your screen, you see here it is cross mark. I tried to set the internet
Yes.
connection.
Okay.
So this is what if this is there, no, I can show you any video here. I used to show, no, if you remember,
Yes.
I in this class only I have I think I showed you that video of lions. I think jungle and safari everything. So still I will try my level best. Tomorrow anyhow I will do that. Okay, I will talk to sir today itself.
Okay.
Mm, how many of you have done with this?
In this lockdown.
I can't do because your screen
I
has.
do.
Someone is speaking. Let me listen to that.
Sir, I do.
Very good. Okay, next question. Who will read it for me? Number 4.
Can I write an alias, sir?
Yes.
Radan, you got the chance. Zaki got the chance. Burani got the chance.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I give you a good
Uh,
news?
yes. What is the good news?
My treatment video is I have stand.
Oh, wait, great. So let's see. Okay, yes, Ali Ghazi, read it.
What change did the cub bring in Bertie's mother?
Can you explain the same question? Can anyone explain this question?
Yes. Yes, sir, I can explain.
Yes.
Sir, in this question, the question is asking that what change the British mother get after taking the cub as a pet,
Very good.
Answer is they his she's mother get changed like not a lion pet like a child.
Hmm. Okay. Let me write here. She was not as ill as she used to be, and there was there was a spring in her legs, and her laughter peeled around the house. So Birdie's mother was happy and very patient with the lion cub. She was not as ill as she used to be. There was a spring in her step, and her laughter pealed around the house.
After the server joke is
And
done with using 5G.
Oh, 5G. Just give me this 5G speed in writing, huh? How do you do that?
Our
Monday
joke is
lesson,
done with using 4G.
Great.
Monday lesson work done.
4G or 5G?
4.
3G. That is 4G. Sir, can I mama joke question and read?
Yes, number 5.
What kind of a boy do you uh, do you think Whitey was? Describe him in your own words.
So here in short,
Sir,
Bertie's,
sir,
yeah,
please show the question. I'm writing the question.
where is it? What kind of a boy do you
Okay, sir,
think
done.
Bertie was? And describe him in your own words.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay. So here, Bertie was a silent, quiet Lonely boy. He had no brothers or sisters or friends to play with. He was brave and kind and took great care of his pet lion. So Bertie was a quiet, lonely boy. See, this is not quick. This is not quiet. This is quiet. Quiet, lonely boy. He had no brothers or sisters or friends to play with. He was brave and kind and took great care of his pet lion.
Cyrus Verb was working with using 5G.
No, it is 6G. Just I put the full stop and you say, oh, work it done. I really need to learn how do you write so swiftly.
Mandi sungguhan wagda.
Great stuff. What else can I say to praise you people? Here today we have completed question and answers. See on the spot at the end of the lecture, I need the photos of whatever you have written. Otherwise, I will not consider that you have done the work. And believe me, internal marks are going to be put for every subject. Just say yes sir in your name if you have completed answer 5 as well.
Okay.
Zaki, I'm giving you a reminder to give me the reminder.
He
Sir,
is not.
yan banjo.
Okay, who will read answer 4 and answer 5 for me?
Cyrus Verb.
Yes, Zohra, but go on.
Bertie's mother was happy and very patient with lion cub. She was not as ill as she used to be. There was spring in her step, and her
What?
daughter,
Laughter, shut up. It is laughter.
laughter,
Laughter.
la,
Laughter.
laughter.
Hold on, Zohra Bas. Let me write something here. I'm writing the pronunciation, okay? How will you read this bracket?
Laughter. Laughter.
Ah, yes.
Laughter peeled around the house.
Can you explain this same answer, Zohar Abbas? Whatever you read right now.
Yes, yes. Bertie's mother was happy and patient with the lion cub.
Patient means
He
Corona
is
patient.
very happy. He
Hold
is
on.
very happy with lion cub.
First of all, whenever I am speaking, you need to listen to me very carefully because there is a meaning to interrupt you. See, when I say here patient means what do you mean by patient? Corona patient.
No, no, sir.
Then what do you mean by patient here?
Sir, in simple language, we say that Aranti.
I do not want any other language. You said simple language, you did not say in Gujarati language. You need to say in English language. Patient means what?
Very
Goodly.
goodly, not
Goodly.
with Andy.
You are as comedy as you used to be in your class. Thank you for making me laugh. Anyways, patient means not becoming hyper or angry in any way. So she, first of all, you said he, but his mother we are talking about. She is feminine, so she. Anyways, she was happy as she was, and she was not, she did not fell ill since few many years when the lion cub entered to the life, came in the life to live amongst them, and she was just happy. And the laughter peel around the house means what? Laughter peeled around the house means what?
Bye bye.
Who was that? Who was that name? Otherwise, I will see the recording. I'll get the name. Zohair Abbas, who was that?
I don't know.
Okay, I will watch the recording. Anyways, I hope all of you have written this.
Yes.
Great
Yes.
stuff. Fine. So have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.